Riya Agarwal. So where have you worked before? Can you share your experience?
I have a basic experience of 1 year in Hotel Citizen as a head chef. Similarly, I also have worked in Hotel Berlin's 1.5 years as a baseline chef. My experience also extends to 6 months of service in renowned Hotel Orchid.
What will be the reason if I ask you about your choice to work in this hotel?
My father is a business tycoon in Canada. He looks for import and export of goods. So if I speak about my current economic condition, it's a lot stable. But I have a dream that I want to be self-reliant in this city. And I want to show my working in your hotel. This will be a good start and I'm ready for it. So me working here will be a great opportunity and experience.
Why did you leave your previous job?
The place where I was working before did give me a good reviews. But nothing came to me as a great comment. I was never satisfied by my level of service to the restaurant. So I decided to get professional by enrolling for this job. That gives me a great chance to prove myself.
So I would like to ask a last question. Which of your review can you describe as your best? Is this the one?
I don't know who has written this letter, nor does it have any address details. But I found this in my letterbox. Someone might have left it. As you can see, this contains a satisfying appreciation. Maybe this guy visited my restaurant before. And by his way of explaining and his informative and detailed writing, we can deduce that he is not some ordinary guy. Maybe he's a great chef. I have never been appreciated for my work like this in my life.
You were saying that this letter does not have address details, right? How do you expect me to believe that this letter was written by someone who is a great influence of that field? If that be true, then who exactly? How do I not believe that this letter was written by you yourself?
Well, of course, you are right. But at least check the notified points in the letter.
I am sorry, but I need to verify this. Otherwise,
I do understand, sir. I will have this letter verified. I'll find the guy who has written this story.
make sure you hasten. Or you want me to consider the existing profile you gave me?
No. I'll come back as soon as possible. You'll see.
Alright then. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Srivastav. How are you doing?
Good morning. What do you think of her?
She is very confident but lacks a little experience. I would have considered her current credentials, but she says no.
Why is that so?
Didn't you see the letter? She says that she'll find the writer and verify it.
Does the letter sound good to you?
Yes, but better to be sure.
I'll take care of that. Close down the vacancy.
But sir,
How am I going to do this?
You have always found ways out of problems.
I know, but this is new, Anushka. I'm not a detective to find a person. I'm a chef. I have no idea how I'm going to do it.
Look, we are going to do it. Before this, I was with you. And even now, it is going to be the same.
You have always been so comforting. Thank you. So, let's start.
Bring that letter.
Give me my bag. It is with great pleasure that I write to you this letter, ma'am. To a person whose food I have considered to be unique and fabulous in a part of the state. To the matter of fact, I have barely tasted food as delightful as yours.
That doesn't give out much. This states that he is satisfied by your food.
This is getting tougher.
Come on, give it a go.
Okay. Reminded me of the one I had from Chef Ristal Fernandez. Yours was the finest basa in our region and the best that I have ever had in Kothur.
Well, fantastic. That's a big clue.
What?
What food item did he ask for?
Chili basa.
Now we have to go in every restaurant that serves chili basa.
Are you insane? There could be thousands.
But he also mentioned best in Kothrood.
Oh, so we're only searching Kothrood?
No, not only that. We need to find his chef, Rustam Fernandez. I believe he can help us.
How are we gonna find him?
We have to ask in every restaurant that we visit.
That's a hell of a job.
You want to find this man or not?
Hell yeah.
Then let's go.
Now?
If not now, then when? आता काय भटजीला बघून मूर्त शोधायचं आहे का?
Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you?
We are looking for.
We have heard about this special dish here.
Yes, the tandoori items and the chili basa.
Yes, we are here for that.
Okay, ma'am. This way then, madam. So, what is it going to be?
We will tell you if you tell something.
What, ma'am?
Does Chef Rustam Fernandez work here?
No.
Thank you.
Idiots.
That was insane.
No left today. Hey, we are not giving up, okay? We want to be self-reliant in this city. Now it's a test for you.
Well, it's either going to be tomorrow or never. Mr. Rustam Fernandez, does he work here?
No.
Hi Nikhil, how are you?
Hello, sir.
You didn't tell them, right?
Not a chance.
Good. I'm going to meet Mr. Rustam. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
It's 3 now and it's almost evening.
Hey, you have a problem there?
No, why?
People often do suicide on this bridge, and I saw you crying. That's why. Don't lose hope.
No, it's nothing.
Tell me, maybe I can help.
Well, I'm looking for Mr. Rustam Fernandez.
I know him. He's a good friend of mine. Why? What has he done?
I'll tell you when we meet him.
Okay, follow me. I'll take you to him.
Okay, thank you. I'll follow you.
Now, meeting with Rustam. One step towards me.
We didn't see this hotel, did we?
No.
He'll be here in a minute.
Mr. Srivastava.
Hello, my friend. Wait here. Sit.
So, what's the matter?
Well, this lady wants to speak to you regarding something.
Oh,
Hello, sir. I'm Riya, and
Hi.
this is my friend Anushka.
hello.
It's I who want to meet you actually.
May I ask why exactly?
I'm trying to find the person who wrote this. He seems to be a good chef, and his credentials on the letter will prove to be a great help. We came to you because we thought you might help us in finding this person.
Now I know a man who loves my chili basa and had been working as a chef along with me.
Who is he?
I can't tell you his name, but I can give you his address. Look him up by yourself.
Ria, are you sure that this is the right address? Yep, Google Maps. But I don't feel right.
What are you doing here? I thought you went to the address Mr. Rustam gave you.
This is the address that Mr. Rustam Fernandez gave us.
Oh, okay. I'll show you. Come on.
Have some coffee. This should cheer you up.
It's great.
People do love it.
Yes?
Now I'm going to tell you something very important, and I need you to listen very carefully. Actually, you have come to the right place, and I did like your chili basa very much.
What? It was you who wrote me the letter.
Yes.
I can't believe it was you all along. I would love to ask you, who are you?
I'm Arvind Srivastav, and I'm a head chef in a 5-star restaurant.
You have to sign this letter then. This is great.
That won't be necessary.
What? Why?
I'm the owner of the restaurant you came to interview at. Wasn't this the restaurant?
Yes.
I was there, watching you interview from outside. Felt that spark in you. But I never thought you would try to find me. And when I did, I chose to hire you this way. This is your appointment letter, and you can join from tomorrow.